Wow! It looks like spring. And spring means it is time for the re-entry of the Mercedes. So let's see. It hasn't been started since November. It somehow got dirty sitting in the garage. And now we're gonna see if it'll start. Wait a sec, I've got the key in my pocket right here. Will it even open up? That's a good start. Sounded a little sick, but again, it's not like the battery's been on a trickle charger. Let's see if it works.
This one.
This is the car you want to go in?
Yeah, I didn't go in it before. Hey, look.
That's your seat.
It's kind of funny.
We haven't used it all winter.
You take the keys, you start it.
We're gonna start her up.
If you remember,
Yep.
foot on the brake, and let's listen to it. Will it start? Wow! That stinks. That is 4 months of cold start worth right there.
Fired right up. Fired right up.
That is a good feeling. I'll take those keys.
Yeah.
Let's go for a ride.
I didn't know this car so much.
Bye.
Hi. I want my roof down.
The roof doesn't come down on this one. Ooh. Oh, this car's riding rough. Is it like this every winter when you take it out?
We just started to go.
No, it's a little bit more so than usual. Gotta be honest.
How many miles are on this guy?
Just about 30,000, just under 30,000 in 10 years. We have just finished washing it for the first time since it came out of storage. It looks a whole lot better now. The paint held up, and we will find out if that's just bad brakes from a long winter of discontent or if they're gonna need new pads. Really don't wanna do that if we do. Oh, look who's coming in. All right, what do you think? You tell me what you think.
Yeah, that looks so much better. I needed it. Shines right up like it's brand new again.
Well, at 30,000 miles, it should be.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hopefully we can drive it a bit and the brakes will sound more awake.
It is a day later. I drove the car around a little bit. We are going to see if the C63 had that brake issue because it sat for really just like 3.5 months. It wasn't even, you know, in retrospect, that long. But let's see. All right. First, easy stop. Listen up. No.
Yeah, that didn't sound weird.
No, it didn't have that. Oh my God, it's going to cost us thousands of dollars to fix the brake sound. No.
No.
All right, we'll go a little bit faster. All right, roll down the window. Here we go. Oh my goodness, this video. All right, here we go. Let's see what that sounds like.
Oh.
It got fixed.
It got fixed.
Unlike my hair, which God knows what happened there. So maybe people can tell us, when you have a car sit for a few months, does that affect the brakes? Because it didn't seem to so much on the Lexus, which sat even longer. And I've had this car sit one other winter out, and it didn't seem to have it. But today, man, it definitely did. It seemed to have, this year, brake issues. And you tell me, what do you think that is? Put it out the window and let's see what it sounds like squeaking.
Okay.
All right, success.
And the main thing, the car stopped.
If you could subscribe to us, it would help us out. We're trying to get to 1,000 because that's the magic number that YouTube likes to see in order for you to actually, you know, have ads and make money. So if you like us and you can support us just by clicking the subscription button, that would be great. And, you know, with gas going up, we really need that help. Gas is getting expensive.
Yes, yes.
And these V8s don't run on, you know, electricity.
Energy. Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.